In today's video, we'll be doing an overview of Yearli Premiere. On the home screen, you will notice a side navigation pane. In this section, you can access your account settings, messages, and team management features. To enter forms, you would start in the Getting Started section. Here you can enter forms manually by clicking on Form Data Entry. You can import data or obtain import templates by clicking on the Import Forms/Templates button. You can import using one of our templates or from one of our many integrations. Corrections can also be started in this section. The second box is the eFile Work in Progress box. This box will display the pair and form types that the eFile process has been started for but have not been submitted. The third box is the eFile History Recent Status Updates. This will display information regarding your most recent status updates for your submissions. Pressing the Forms button at the top of the screen will allow users to see information such as what pair has forms created for them, along with the form type and the number of forms. Forms will display in this section after completing an import. You can move all the forms for a selected pair, a group of pairs, or a portion of the recipients under a specific pair in this section to the eFile process. The user is also able to delete the selected returns and make changes to them in this section as well. Clicking on the eFile button will display the eFile Work in Progress section. On this screen, the user can see the pair, form type, and required actions needed to complete the eFile process. There is also a last modified date field here to indicate when last actions were taken. Pressing resume will result in starting the eFile process. Pressing delete will put the forms back in the forms screen. The fourth and final button is the eFile History button. This will display the eFile history, which includes the pair, form type, confirmation number, date submitted, and the status of the filing. The tax year drop-down menu will allow to switch between the different tax years, while the search bar allows the user to look for forms based off of the TIN or the name. Pressing View Detail will allow the user to view more detailed information about their filings, as well as access to reports, printing copies of forms and receipts, and the ability to resend online retrieval emails.